Politics now, the chairman of the Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC, Professor Mahmood Yakubu, says with 22 days remaining for the September 21 election in Edo State, out of the 13 activities scheduled, 10 have been completed, including the finalization of the voter register, which lists 2.6 million registered voters. Professor Yakubu stated this on Thursday during an emergency meeting convened by INEC to provide update on allied key concerns to political parties at its headquarters. It stated that the remaining tasks include the publication of the notice of poll on September 7, the conclusion of campaigns on September 19, and election day itself. Professor Yakubu, however, said INEC has intensified its engagement with stakeholders, focusing on voter education and logistics, just as the Commission has completed the installation of bimodal voter accreditation system BVAS, and machines are nearly finished printing the voters' registers for those 4,519 polling units. The national chairman of the Inter-Party Advisory Council, IPEC, Yusuf Muhammad Dantali, charged political parties to action ahead of the governorship elections in Edo and Ondo State. Dantali emphasized that the upcoming Edo State election scheduled for September 21, 2024 is an opportunity for Nigeria to restore confidence in its electoral process.
Activities for the election. The most recent activity was the presentation of the voters' register containing details of 2.6 million registered voters for the election. This was done on Tuesday, 20th August 2024 in our state office in Benin City. We are now left with 3 outstanding activities, namely the publication of the notice of poll scheduled for Saturday, 7th September 2024, the last day of campaign by political parties, which is Thursday, 19 September 2024, and finally, the election day, which is Saturday, 21st September 2024. In addition to these statutory activities, we have intensified our engagement with stakeholders at state and local government levels. Similarly,
we must get it right this time. The Edo State gubernatorial polls will be a litmus test for the Ondo State governorship election scheduled to hold Saturday, 16 November 2024, which in turn give direction to future elections in Nigeria. As the umbrella body of all registered political parties, IPAC is saddled with the responsibility of consolidating and deepening democracy by ensuring an environment conducive for successful elections, political stability, and peaceful electoral process in the nation. Accordingly, Council urges political parties and their candidates to imbibe issue-based campaigns that will unite the people and foster development and sustainable development. There is no place for politics of bitterness and violence that has
called on international